40 knots, 90 degrees angle of bank while loaded, and 120 degrees angle of bank wing over. Incredibly impressive. One of the very tight orbits included in this display. The aircraft, which made its maiden flight on the 11th of December 2009, and since then things have progressed well to the point where in 2013 the French Armée de l'Air received the first 36 samples of the A400M. Since then we've seen it arriving with the Turkish Air Force, the Royal Air Force, Germany's Luftwaffe and the Royal Malaysian Air Force. It made its operational debut on French operations in Mali, and in total 174 of these aeroplanes are on order. Ultimately power dropping, low-level container delivery, and pressure forces in certain roles by day and by night. Yes, it's very adaptable and it needs to be. What with changing military requirements, we've seen special forces operations assuming increased importance. As with all Airbus products, the manufacturing effort is a multinational one. Major assemblies being flown to a final assembly plant in Seville in Spain. British contributions to that effort comes in the form of the outer wing box and the flaps, which are built by the Airbus facility at Chiltern in Bristol. Now the speed increasing on this part up to around 250 to 280 knots, and we'll see the A400M pull up to around 40 to 50 degrees. What you're seeing here is not just airshow manoeuvres, this has very, very important tactical implications as well. And the low level really struggles to keep it down in air-to-air combat. Yes, indeed, bombers too, needing that degree of manoeuvrability in combat operations. Well, here we see the A400M turning final to land. A very spirited demonstration, captained by a British test pilot from Airbus Defence and Space, Anthony Flynn, and the co-pilot of the demonstrations this weekend, Eduardo Curiel Tormo. Central to the tactical and strategic areas of the Royal Air Force with the present and the future. We've recently seen a very large investment front of us, the A400M. And we see it there in front of us with the rear loading ramp open, a view into the cargo area, which could take two Apache helicopters, for example, a single Puma or Cougar or NH-90 helicopter amongst its load operation. So there we have the Airbus A400M.